Hey everybody, I'm Sean and this is a tutorial on the new and easiest way to deploy a token on the Ethereum network.
This service is currently only for ERC20 tokens, but there's going to be a token creation service released soon for ERC23 and probably others in the future. This is Minereum.com, and it's going to be your hub for everything you need to create a token on the Ethereum blockchain. The first thing you'll need is Minereum. Minereum is a relatively young cryptocurrency, so right now you can only get it on a few exchanges: Livecoin, Cryptopia, and HitBTC. I'm sure there's going to be others in the future and probably by the time you see this video. You can find the most up-to-date information about how to buy Minereum at the Minereum.com website by clicking this How to Buy button. Next, you'll need to buy some Ether. Since Minereum is a token on the Ethereum blockchain, you'll need the Ether for gas prices. Once you've purchased your Minereum and Ether, you'll need to deposit it into a MyEtherWallet account. Minereum is already a standard token on MyEtherWallet, so you don't have to do anything special. Just send that Minereum to your account and it'll show up in your wallet. You can see here that I've got some Ether for gas, some Minereum to make tokens, and a couple custom tokens that I already made using this service. Now that you've got the resources you need deposited into your MyEtherWallet, you can head back over to Minereum.com and create the Create Your Ethereum Token button. This will take you to the token creation page where you can see all the tokens that have been deployed so far and those that are in progress. This is a very important page as it will give you all the information you need to create your token. You'll also notice in green writing at the top that this is version 1.1 of the service. This team is constantly putting out updates. It's one great thing about this project is that the developers are committed to making it great. From here, you can click the link, How to Use this service. This is going to take you to a Bitcoin Talk thread that gives you all the information you need in order to create a token. There's a couple important things to note on this page. First, make sure you're using MyEtherWallet as it enables you to actually set up the token. Second, make sure you always check the price here on this page as it'll change depending on demand. Right now, it's 1 Minereum. If the price changes and you don't notice it, you're going to end up burning Minereum and not getting anything in exchange. So to get this token creation process started, you simply need to send 1 Minereum from your MyEtherWallet account to this address. Go back to your MyEtherWallet account and click the Send Ether and Tokens tab. Paste the address that you just copied from the Bitcoin Talk thread into the To field. Next, put 1 for the amount, and make sure you change that drop down from ETH to M&E. If you forget to change that drop down and you happen to have 1 or more Ether in your account, you risk losing that Ether forever. Next, click Generate Transaction, then click Send Transaction, then click Yes, I really do want to make this transaction. Next, you can head over to the token creation service page, and within a few seconds, you'll be able to see your token creation in process. It should only take a few minutes for this process to complete, and you can watch it all happen here. At the top of the page, you'll be able to see your Ether address. Over here, you'll be able to see the transaction number of your token creation. And over here where it says in process, you're eventually going to have a new smart contract address that you'll be able to use to create your token. Once the transaction is complete, you'll copy that smart contract address and head back over to your MyEtherWallet account. Go to the Contracts tab and paste your unique smart contract address into the contract address field. Under the contract address field, there's a ABI/JSON field. You can find what you need there by going back to the Bitcoin Talk thread and clicking on the paste bin link. Once there, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see raw paste data. Select and copy all of that. Head back over to the contract page and paste that into the ABI/JSON field. On a side note, the only address that can create the token is the address that sent that original Minereum to the token creation service. Next, click the Access button, select the Select a Function drop-down menu, and click Set Up Token. Now go ahead and fill in these fields. These are really important as you only get to do them once. So, what do you want the token to be called? What do you want the symbol to be? And what's your total supply? I'm going to stick with my precious stone theme, and I'm going to call this one Jade. My token symbol's going to be Jade. And then I'm going to make my supply even smaller than last time at 10,000. You'll need to choose how you want to access this wallet, just like everything else on MyEther wallet. Once you've done that, click Write. A warning page will pop up, but you can ignore everything on it and click Generate this transaction. Then again, you'll need to confirm that you really do want to make this transaction. You'll get a little green bar pop up at the bottom if everything worked. Now that the token is officially created, you'll want to head back over to the View My Wallet Info tab. Go ahead and sign in, and now we'll add your token to your wallet. Under all of your token balances, you're going to click the Add Custom Token button. Under address, you're going to paste the smart contract address that the token creation service gave you in the first place to create your token. Your token symbol will be whatever you just created, in this case, Jade. At the time of this video, all tokens created with Minereum have 18 decimals. However, in the future, you will be able to choose the amount of decimals you want for your token. So, if you didn't get to choose, then it's 18, and if you did get to choose how many decimals, just make sure you put the same number in here. Finally, click Save. And there you go, you've created a token on the Ethereum blockchain, and you've put the total supply of that token in your MyEther wallet account. Now you can take pride in owning a custom token on the Ethereum network. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, you can donate to the Ethereum address in the video description. Special thanks to Gilboa for the sweet Minereum bumper video. Until next time, cheers.